everyone. Today I'm making you a yummy South Indian style beetroot salad, which is yummy and refreshing. You need one medium-sized beetroot, chopped and cooked. You need a small bunch of coriander chopped, a green chili chopped, a teaspoon of jeera powder, half a teaspoon of salt. You need one medium-sized onion chopped and a quarter cup of freshly grated coconut and a full bowl of yogurt. I'm going to be putting in one cubed beetroot cooked. I'm adding the quarter cup of freshly grated coconut, one medium-sized onion chopped finely. I'm adding the chili, salt, a teaspoon of jeera powder and some coriander leaves. This is completely as per your preference. And the whole cup of yogurt. And just like that, the beetroot salad is ready in just less than 2 minutes.